The world enters another pivotal week as markets, technology, and international relations show dynamic shifts that may shape global trends in the months ahead. Financial markets are reacting to mixed signals as global economic recovery appears uneven. In the United States, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq experienced modest gains after a week of volatility, reflecting cautious optimism among investors. Economic indicators, including employment rates and manufacturing output, continue to show resilience, although inflation concerns linger. The Federal Reserve has maintained a cautious approach, leaving interest rates unchanged while signaling potential adjustments depending on economic developments. Across Europe, stock markets experienced mixed outcomes. The FTSE 100 in London showed slight growth, supported by stronger energy and consumer staples sectors. Germany's DAX faced mild decline due to industrial output concerns, while France's CAC 40 remained stable. Analysts highlight ongoing concerns about rising energy costs and the potential impact on manufacturing and exports. Asia's markets have shown resilience. China's Shanghai Composite rose slightly as domestic consumption strengthened following government stimulus measures. Japan's Nikkei 225 remained steady, despite global uncertainty and ongoing discussions at the Bank of Japan regarding monetary policy. Emerging markets in Southeast Asia displayed volatility, influenced by currency fluctuations and geopolitical developments. The energy sector has faced significant movements. Global oil prices fell to a 5-month low due to concerns over oversupply and weakened demand. Brent crude settled at approximately $61 per barrel, while WTI closed near $57.50. Supply concerns remain, particularly with rising inventories in the United States, seasonal refinery maintenance, and the impact of trade tensions. OPEC discussions are ongoing, with member states debating potential production adjustments to stabilize markets. In renewable energy, Europe and Asia are accelerating clean energy projects. Solar and wind installations have surged, driven by government incentives and corporate ESG commitments. Electric vehicle adoption continues to grow worldwide, with China and Europe leading in market penetration. Geopolitically, tensions persist in several regions. In the Middle East, peace talks in Yemen continue amid sporadic violence, while diplomatic efforts seek to resolve the Israel-Palestine conflict. Asia witnesses heightened attention on Taiwan as regional powers monitor military exercises. Africa faces political uncertainty in Madagascar following the recent coup, with the international community calling for peaceful transition. In technology, cloud services and AI dominate global headlines. Amazon Web Services experienced a brief but significant outage affecting major websites and apps. Artificial intelligence regulation remains a hot topic, with the EU, US, and China debating policies to balance innovation and safety. Major firms like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are expanding AI infrastructure, emphasizing ethical deployment and transparency. Space exploration is gaining renewed momentum. Astronomers track interstellar comet 3I Atlas, which will make a close approach to Earth. NASA and ESA prepare observation missions to collect data, potentially shedding light on the origin of interstellar objects. Private companies are also expanding satellite constellations to enhance global communication and monitoring. Environmental concerns persist globally. The World Meteorological Organization warns of possible La Niña return, which could disrupt rainfall patterns, agriculture, and water supply in various regions. Climate conferences in Europe and the Middle East stress sustainable energy and carbon reduction commitments. Health and science sectors remain in focus. The World Health Organization launches campaigns to curb tobacco and nicotine use, emphasizing youth protection and global health policies. Medical research continues with breakthroughs in vaccines, treatment protocols, and AI-assisted diagnostics. In social and cultural news, Vogue World 2025. Hollywood Edition prepares to livestream an iconic fashion event benefiting entertainment industry professionals impacted by wildfires. Meanwhile, film, music, and arts industries report growing collaborations across borders, reflecting the power of digital platforms and global audiences. Sports events continue to captivate audiences. European Darts Championship and upcoming football qualifiers provide fans with high-intensity competitions. Preparations for FIFA 2026 World Cup qualifiers are underway, generating anticipation in multiple continents. Economic policies are under scrutiny. Countries monitor fiscal balance, public debt, and trade relations to mitigate potential risks. Global public debt is projected to surpass 100% of world GDP by 2029 if corrective measures are not taken. International institutions stress transparency, coordination, and policy adjustments to maintain confidence. Technological innovation intersects with policy, economics, and culture. AI, renewable energy, and digital finance are reshaping labor markets and consumer behavior. Corporations and governments navigate regulatory landscapes to ensure ethical use of technology while fostering innovation. Global citizens remain alert to these developments. From energy prices to political events, financial stability, technological advancements, and environmental challenges, individuals and organizations must adapt. Education, governance, and strategic investment are key to navigating this complex global environment. As the week progresses, markets, governments, and citizens will continue to respond to emerging trends. The global economy, technology sector, energy markets, and geopolitical landscape remain interconnected. World Pulse News will continue to provide verified, unbiased reporting to help viewers stay informed about the events that shape the world.